You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
So now let's start with the next lab. In this lab, we'll be configuring conditional forwarders. So for that, first I'll go to Tools on my Server Manager. Now you can see I'm on NITA ADDS01. Under this, I'll go to DNS. Now under DNS, earlier we created a forward lookup zone. This time we are creating a conditional forwarder. So I right click, New Conditional Forwarder, NetSoftAcademy.com, and the IP address 172.16.10.20. Now I would wait for this to resolve here. I would like to see it resolved here. Once it says resolved, or at least it shows the name of the machine, that is NITA ADDS02, then I will move on to the other side. So now I'll navigate to NITA ADDS02 to create the conditional forwarders there as well. Now, just give me a second. Let me quickly log in here. Now, ironically, even here, I might end up right on the server manager, like you can see here, NITA ADDS02. I click on Tools, I click on DNS, Conditional Forwarders, right click, New Conditional Forwarder, netsoft.com, 172.16.10.10, and I wait for this to resolve. Now once it resolves, once everything is sorted out, once everything is resolved, then I'll just do one small test to make sure the connectivity is 100% correct. So you can see it's resolved here. I'll quickly go to my PowerShell. You can go to CMD as well, doesn't matter. You can look for CMD as well. But right now with Microsoft being the way it is promoting the use of PowerShell more than CMD. And I'll just say ping NITA ADDS 01.netsoft.com. Now I practically want this to convert or to resolve from this name to this, right? 172.16.10.10. So this is working. Now I can repeat the same thing from the other side as well. Now that would again give me the same idea. So if I go back to ADDS01 here, CMD. Now the only reason I'm not running anything as the administrator is because I'm logged in as the administrator. So if I do who am I here as well, it will tell me who am I. I say ping NITA ADDS 02.netsoftakademy.com. You can see that it automatically converts to 172.16.10.10. It automatically resolves to that IP address. Now, this is a good sign. That means all the connectivity that we want to establish is actually working and it is all correctly configured. So at that note, we'll end this lab here, and in the next lab, we'll look at the next steps.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.